National Institute of Standards and Technology time.
National Institute of Standards and Technology time.
Alright, this is Oz the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Hey, and this is another one from Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com. Check out the coupon code, the Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. This is Menruaku Japanese ramen, Hokkaido style seafood and with shrimp and scallop soup. It's a long name. It's a burly handle. So here's the bowl, here's the noodle. We add in this one. First. Yeah, add this in first. I really implore and beg you, Menruaku, will you just say how many milliliters of water these bowls need? Because that would save me a lot of time and effort. Just pour the water in. Oh, baby, oh, whoa. Right there. There. Timer on. Noodles submerged. Lid on. So what's going on? I just came out with my 2022 subscription box buyer's guide yesterday. You can go check it out on the YouTube. It's been out for a while though. For you. But for me, it came out yesterday. People seem to like it. I threw it up on Reddit, and it's gotten a lot of play on there, so that's good. I don't know, I figured it's close to Christmas, I mean the holidays, you know, and if you want to get somebody a subscription box, hey, there's a few of them. I only went with the ones that use my coupon code and the ones that I get regularly. There are boxes that I've reviewed ages ago. I mean, there's like one company, Ramen Trunk. They had great boxes. But the problem is, it's like they ended up with a supply issue and they're not able to fulfill orders. So, I mean, they can fulfill orders for the amount of people that are subscribed right now. So it's not like you can subscribe to it. So there's not much point in that, although those boxes were tight. But what did I get on there? Exotic Nudes, 5 a.m. ramen, which is instantramen.jp, Umai Crate at Japan Crate, and Zen Pop at zenpop.jp. So I did all four of those alphabetically. I'm not gonna sit there and go, this one's better than this one's better than this one's better than this one, because I don't know, I've got relationships with all of them. I can present you with everything you need to make your own decision for what you want. So the nice thing about the Exotic Nudes ones, though, is the fact that they are international. So you'll get like, this one is for the US market, but it's from Japan. The last one I did was that green noodle, which is made in Japan for the US market. They have a lot of Korean ones, Thai ones, sometimes Vietnamese, but yeah, and Chinese. But they get stuff from all over the place and put it in their boxes. So it's Indonesia, Malaysia, yeah. So all the other ones that I get are strictly Japanese, which seems kind of like a thing people like. They want just Japanese varieties, which is fine. If that's what you want to buy it. You know? I wish I could get a box that was all from Somalia and all from... that would be a trippy ramen box. I would be stoked on that. I don't think I've ever had any Somali instant noodles before, but that'd be pretty neat. Anyways, how we doing? I gotta hurry. 3, 2, 1, hey! Alright. Our noodler is done. Let's see how this did. Actually, I'm going to put it in this pot for easier dealingness with this. Boy, I really gotta hurry. I get to have my oatmeal. I want my oatmeal. I stopped having, every day it was oatmeal and peanut butter, oatmeal and peanut butter. Now I'm not having the peanut butter anymore. I'm trying to get like 10 miles in on walking and keep it under 1,500 calories. I'm back in a big way because I don't want to get any bigger. It's hard. It's damn hard, but doing pretty good. Pretty good. Noodle. Very sesame. Can you see that? Broth. Ho hum. I didn't know what to expect out of this one. I was thinking it's either going to be like tonkatsu like and creamy or not so much. And it's kind of not so much. Not that it's really mentioning that it's supposed to be. It's more of like a seafood shio is what I'm getting out of it with a little bit of mystic thickness. Hi Miles. Are you done with your banana?
Yes.
All right. You want to say hi to nice people?
Yes. Hi to the nice people.
That's a nice guy. Mwah. Go play.
Okay, I'll be back in a few hours.
A few hours? Oh, you want to say hi too, huh?
Hi, nice people.
Hi, how you doing, Mimi?
Good.
Are we gonna go on a big long walk and go see a big river?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I watch
Go play.
something else?
We'll let you watch something else in a minute. They're getting bonkers about having to have Leave It to Beaver on the TV. Because once the cartoons are... I don't know, there's a lot of things on Leave It to Beaver that I approve of. Why I approve of that, here's a... Reminds me of a Christmas wish I have. It's like, there are a couple things that I asked... What I do every year, I'll admit it, I do this every year. It drives my wife bonkers. I really wanted this Chinese instrument called an erhu. I always thought it'd be really neat to learn how to play one. But I don't know if you guys know, but I have a disability other than my vision. Don't say what, your mouth? No. It's my left hand is all jacked up. So like doing fingering on a guitar, that's kind of out of the question. It's like I got very low motor ability. No, there's no therapy I can do. I get that. I get hit up by doctors about that all the time. Well, you know, if you like strengthened your hand, it's not about strength, it's nerves. The reason my left hand isn't super strong is because I really don't use it so much. It grasps, but it doesn't like, there's no fine motor functionality of it. It doesn't look all jacked up or nothing. It's just, that's the way it is. Yeah, the story is I got bumped when my mom had an amniocentesis. And they signed some form because they were saying it was experimental. I don't know, that was a while back. But I'm used to it. It's, you know, but it's kind of difficult with things like that. And anyways, this erhu is a stringed instrument. And you bow it with your right hand. And you do the fingering with your left. Well, if I got one, it looks like you could pretty much flip it over, but then I'd have to bow it with my left, and I don't know how well that would work. So it's like, it can be frustrating. So for me, it's like, I don't know if I really want to say, hey, I want one of these for Christmas. Oh, look, it's frustrating. I hate it now. I'm bummed out. Yeah, I'm not going to put that on anybody. But the other thing that I was thinking, today I fried up this chashu. It's got a puddle of stuff in the middle. So I fried this chashu. There's a Naruto. And I thought, hey, why not, you know what would be useful? Is a kitchen torch. So that's kind of what I asked for, like a nice kitchen torch, so I could just like torch up the chashu. That little puddle in the middle is bugging me. Let's get rid of that. Here, Rotato, do your stuff. Anyways, I gotta get if I want to have my oatmeal. So this is a good one. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. Oh, I should put sesame seeds on it. Sesame seeds. I'm gonna put sesame seeds on it. Yeah, there they are. And I'm gonna put some shichimi. Then I'll let you look at it again really quick, but then I really gotta go. Oh, jeez. It's a little much. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Go to theramenraider.com, go to YouTube, look up The Ramen Raider, go to youtube.com/theramenraidertube. Everything. Have a good one.